What's up, you guys? As you can see, the iPad is next to me. I have no idea why. We're just gonna push it to the side. Okay. This 3 videos a week thing isn't working out too well. It's gonna be the end of that. So come February, we're gonna go back to how we had it before. So I'm gonna show you some Rubik's Cube tricks today. So I got my 2 Rubik's Cubes. Let me just hurry and put this one back real quick here. There we go. Okay, let's start with the pyramid because there's less stuff to do with the pyramid. So you got these normal ones. You can just, switch them out here to make something really random, right? You can do like something like this. Yeah. Okay. So you got 2 of them are the same, and then the one on top is going to be different. Like so. And then another one we can do is put all these back. And then what you're gonna wanna do is move this piece right here, like that. And then move it again like this. And then you'll have that, right? So that's kind of cool. The one side will not work, so that's kind of not good. But I mean, it probably would if you were like a Rubik's Cube master, which I am not. What am I doing with these videos, man? Oh, shoot. I messed something up here. Let me put it back. Okay. So there you go. There's the pyramid trick, I know. 2 of them. The main cube, I know a lot more tricks with this one. Not a lot, but I still know more tricks about this one than the last one. So, first one, just solve. You gotta do the classic 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ah! Should we replay that in slow-mo? Maybe. If it's gonna replay in slow-mo, then it will. But, look at this. I got a checkered pattern. And then to put back, 1, 2. 1, it's stuck in the middle. That's a Disney Channel show I used to watch. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now you have this again. The next trick I know is red to white, white to blue, blue to red in a circle over and over until you have this, right? So then you go blue to white, white to red, red to blue to return it into its original form. Okay, last one I'm gonna show you guys, right? So pick a corner, any corner. Usually I go for this corner, right? You got the green, the red, and the white. So, what I like to do is, you go up to your friends and you're like, well, look at this solved Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna mix it up and then solve it. And then you just do this. So as you're mixing it up, since you're using the same algorithm, you're also solving it at the same time. So like, do it a couple times, right? So I've solved it once, and now I've solved it twice. So we're just gonna go like 3 times, right? So then they'll be like, you're taking a minute, and then you're like, you want me to go faster? And then it'll be like, there you go. So it starts solved, mixes up, and then solved again. But the illusion may or may not. Can't promise anything. But when I've tried it works. They think you're mixing it up. And then you're like, just in the middle, randomly, you're just gonna be like, hey, now I'm gonna solve it like this. Okay, here. Alright, I'm mixing it up, you guys. Okay, now I'm gonna solve it. like that. So, anyway, that's the Rubik's Cube tricks I know. Hope you guys like this quick video. And I'll see you in another one. So, later.